Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm in Xiamen, China, and I'm staying at my friend's house, who's he's traveling himself at the moment. But right from outside, you can see kind of cool stuff. And this whole neighborhood is a university area, and this apartment's huge. I think they pay something like $200 a month or something like that. There's two people who live here. They're both not here right now, so I think it's like $100 each. And my friend, who has this, he doesn't even live in Xiamen. He lives in Guangzhou, but he comes over here a lot because he has some other friends here. So he just drops $100 a month and gets to come over here whenever he wants. And you get this big house. So pretty cool. So we're gonna explore a little bit in Xiamen today. This is actually same house. So there's so much space here that they actually have their bikes, a little garage. They can put all their things in here. They bought one of these, and that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so this is outside their house, and pretty cool. So basically in here, look how straight, how clean everything is. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit, and yeah, this is like part of Xiamen. I'll put it on the map of the location, and I'm just gonna kind of walk around and explore a little bit. Actually, that one has a gate on it. It's actually a good place to get totally lost as well. But yeah, so it's Xiamen, China. Actually, I don't know a lot about it, but my friends have been kind of educating me about it. And they're basically saying it was always really foreign friendly, so there was always a lot of foreigners here. And then, so something about Xiamen is just completely quite a bit different than other parts of China. And I can feel it. The people are like really laid back. They're really used to foreigners. So, like other parts of China, maybe they've never seen foreigners, so they might give a lot more attention to you. But here it's not like that at all. And so this is like basically a bunch of neighborhoods and housing. So I'm just gonna keep walking by. This is my first day here, so I want to be respectful and not throw my camera in on people, but and a lot of people's houses are open too, so when I walk around, I have to show my respect and not. But yeah, just how clean this is, because sometimes I'll see other parts of China with these little alleys and with housing and everything, and they'll be just they're kind of like just dirty. It's like permanently dirt. But somebody comes through and just sweeps all this because there's no pedestrian traffic allowed. Oops. So I'm just gonna walk around. Let's see how far I can get. Oops. That's the thing, is I don't know where I come up on people's houses and where I don't, so kind of want to take a left here. But yeah, my friends were saying that this area is all like university area. So so right now it's like not, it's end of July at the moment, so there's hardly anybody around. I mean students. I guess students kind of breathe in life of this whole area. Actually, yeah, the houses are really spacious. So people that live here, it's kind of cool. Hello. So yeah, kind of capturing a lot of people early in the morning here. It's 9 in the morning at the moment. And I'm just gonna be walking around. Yeah, everything is so clean. So, I mean, all these little places go right up to people's houses and their windows are open, so that kind of means that you'd hear everybody all the time. Yep, and you have all these little numerical addresses. I'll just keep going up to this main street up here. So this is kind of a taste of Xiamen anyways. I think this is a little main thoroughway here, but I think it might still be close to traffic. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to get a car here, but there is a car here. It'd be pretty tight fit though. I mean, just think of that picture, like that car. Like you basically wouldn't want to take your eyes off the road if you're walking on this one. Good place for biking. As my friend was telling me, he takes his bikes everywhere all the time. So let's just see. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, I kind of want to go back into that area that I was just in, but I can see myself getting pretty lost. I'm just trying to figure out the area myself. So I just arrived yesterday in Xiamen. Gonna stay at my friend's place for a few days. Try to see as much as I can. Try to record as much as I can too, so other people can get a sense of what it's like. I'll tell you one thing though, the people are really kind and laid back. So if you're used to it's like fish throwing away trash. Like I'm used to Jihai, so if you watch my videos, you know, Jihai is my neighbor. Oh, it goes right up into a plaza here. It's cool. Huh. Wow. Oh, there's a community stage right here too. Wow. The camera just turned off. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. The camera keeps turning off, so we'll see what happens. I just put it in 2.7 instead of 4.4K, so we'll see if that makes a difference. Okay, so let's put everything in 2.7. Camera keeps heating up, so I'm just going to try to see what happens in 2.7 instead. So I don't know. We'll see. So everything's in Chinese, but this is something called Jimei Street, Jimei. And I just wanted to film it because there's all these kind of cool trees. I'm still right in the same neighborhood. I'm going to try to get into the island part, but I'm not in the island part. But I just did want to show these trees because it's like, these things are like made out of, I don't know, it feels like this is like paper, like you can just take it and write it with a pen on it. I'm kind of amazed that people, I'm glad they don't, but like you could really graffiti these things up. But they're kind of like a twisty, like they all kind of go like that, circular. Okay, so I'm going to try a different approach. I'm going to use a different camera. So I was using my GoPro, but I just can't seem to, so I was kind of talking about these trees. And maybe I'll just try all day with this camera, just see if it's might have more fun with the zoom camera anyways. But yeah, this whole street is just lined up with these trees like this. Oh, there's a tuk-tuk. And you can see more streets, all trees lined up, right? And they kind of have that swirling like that. Anyways, let's keep going. Yeah, Xiamen's built quite a few things like this. And I think they do a lot of Dragon Boat stuff. And my friend was telling me there's a lot of architecture like this that he was saying it's kind of a hybrid of two things. To me it looks very Chinese, but he was saying it's not typical. But it's like half that and half something else. Foreign influence maybe. And at the moment I just kind of want to capture, each of these has like a little red thing. And yeah, these trees are pretty cool. They kind of block up the sidewalk. But on the other hand, they're really beautiful too. It'll just be better with a GoPro or not, but kind of walk through it like as if this was a GoPro. Yeah. Yeah, I really like these trees a lot. Yeah, the whole street is completely lined with these trees. Gonna zoom in. I've never seen these trees before. I don't know what kind they are. But I kind of, now I have them associated with Xiamen, so if I ever see them again anywhere, and I never have seen one before, I immediately think about the city. Huh. It's kind of interesting. These are all a bunch of dragon boats are in storage right here. Yeah, pretty unique city. It's a pretty cool building, and I just kind of saw this. I don't know what it says in Chinese, but it's like the hammer and sickle. I like the artwork too, so some cool artwork right there. Actually, I guess it's like they're kind of taking care of the elderly, I think. Or clinic. It's a clinic, I guess. Maybe a social clinic? Social welfare? I don't know. But let me know if you know Chinese. Tell me what it is. Yeah, it's kind of different houses too. This is kind of directly down the street. Somebody's cleaning their bike. Actually, it's kind of interesting to film with this camera as opposed to my GoPro because I can zoom in on things. This is Xiamen. Yeah, sidewalks are a lot of trees lined up the sidewalks too, so it's nice to see. It's a kids' playground, I guess. All right. Yeah, and I was used to seeing pretty much everything in Chinese, so it's kind of surprised to see this one in Russian. Hardly even speak English, but I just came across my first non-Chinese one, and it's Russian. Yeah, I don't know this building, but it's like there's some other people that are photographing it. And this is the same street with all of these houses right here as well. That's the Russian one that I just saw down there. And then that's that one with the hammer and sickle way down there. So yeah, there's a lot of kind of cool stuff. Pretty much everywhere in Xiamen, so I'm not even on the island part of it either, so I think this is called like Jimei street or area, I think. I'll look it up later and find out for sure. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. Like, I really love these kinds of trees. And then this is, I see this in Japan sometimes. These guys are kind of wandering monks. I haven't seen that in China. Yeah, and these trees remind me of something I would see in Hawaii, Cambodia. Macau has these too, but this one is like even more, this particular one reminds me more of stuff I see in Hawaii. It's like really massive. You got this guy right here in the middle. There's a sign there too. If you kind of wonder what tree that is, that's what it says. Elastica? Elastica tree? Okay. Yeah, they got a few right here. Yeah, this one's massive. And they got another one over there too. Looks like they light them up at nighttime. Pretty cool though. And it overlooks this whole building too. Okay. You are here. So, Jimei Learning Village, Jimei campus of Jiagang campus, Jimei University. So basically this is the Jimei University area. And I don't know where I think this is the island. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna keep exploring. So, but yeah. Anyways, this is the Jimei area. Jimei. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.